Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So buying an S&P 500 investment on Freetrade is one of the simplest ways for UK investors to gain exposure to hundreds of leading US companies through a single investment. Instead of purchasing individual stocks, you can invest in an S&P 500 ETF directly from the Freetrade app and build a diversified long-term portfolio. Freetrade offers access to hundreds of ETFs, including several that track the S&P 500. So first thing, in this guide I will show you step by step how to buy S&P 500 on Freetrade in 2026, and that by starting with opening a Freetrade account. So if you don't have or if you don't already have an account, create a Freetrade account, complete identity verification, personal information, access setup. Once approved, you will gain access to Freetrade's investing platform. Okay, so after that, add funds to your account. So before investing, you have to add funds to your account. So as you can see, transfer money into your Freetrade account. Common methods include bank transfer, debit card top up, linked bank account funding. So after that, wait until your funds become available and do the steps like add or tap add money, transfer funds from your bank account, and wait for the cash balance to update. Then search for an S&P 500 ETF, like as you can see here in the pictures. So use the search bar. Popular options include VUSA, VUAG, HSPX. Okay, and as you can see here. So after that, open the ETF page, select the ETF from the search results, review its chart, fees and holding, and then tap buy. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.